Model, 2016 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 Cdi medium wheelbase, fridge 12 months MOT ready to drive, away. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 318672. MOT, the 26th of February 2026. Engine, 2143 cc ohm 651,129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is in decent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest fridge van. To get the fridge working, this van will need a new controller, very easy job. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, cruise Contron, electric windows, fridge, 12 months MOT. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, Cat S in 2022. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.